difficult to park on that hill tomorrow if it's not clear. Like if it's not clear, we'll see. There's some other hills. We'll make a left turn at the stop sign. This is another one of the hills. 9 times out of 10, if they do get you to do the hill parking, and yeah, just give her a little bit of gas here, right on, get the wheels spinning. 9 times out of 10, they get you to park on this hill,
Okay.
if anywhere. Usually it's uphill, with a curb or without a curb or with a snowbank, and then, you know. Looking for the backs of the stop signs. Third color. See, there's another one. Tells you there's a road there. The green signs help too. But if you're in different cities, you may not get street signs. You might just get the stop signs.
Yeah.
Narrow space. No problem. We're going to make a right turn at the stop sign. So you want to start steering to the right and stop right at the sidewalk here. Crawling out inch by inch. Right on. Okay, we're going to turn left at the lights. So, to position your vehicle, just imagine the roadway had a yellow line right down dead center. You want to get next to the imaginary yellow line. Yeah, right here. Straighten her out. Excellent. So that gives enough room for somebody to make a right turn and a left turn right around your car, if the lanes aren't visible.